Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Leslie again. So like what I promised on the previous video, I promised you the settings of the indicator. At the moment I just entered crash 300. My balance is 52 bucks. Now I'm profit of 25 bucks. I got 78 on the run. So I just want to risk holding for $5. Then I close. I want to take $20 profit. So like what I said on my previous video, guys, I was talking and illustrating about this strategy. So now I want to give you the settings. So first things first, on crash 300, if you come on our indicators, you get two indicator window, indicator 1 and indicator window 2. So indicator window 1, I have the same settings that you can never change no matter the page that you open. So the period of this RSI is 100, apply to close. Then on levels, we need level 10, 20, 80 and 90. All right, so you add these levels and set to all time frame and you click on done. Then on that same RSI, you click the plus button on the win indicator window 1 and you add moving average, period 1, shift 0, method smooth, and you apply it to close. Okay, you put the color of any choice you want. Right, so you go on indicator window 2. On indicator window 2, put another RSI. That's all we are dealing with. So on RSI, on style, you make sure that the style is visible. You put any color that you want on style. This is the main signal that you will be following the RSI. So you put any color of your choice. The period is 10 on crash 300. The period is 10 on crash 300. All right, then levels, we still need 10, 20, 80 and 90. Then I just put the level 30 because some of the experiment, but you can leave level 30, that's all right. Then you click on done and click on done. So this is the situation that I'm currently having right now. So on crash 300, like what we said this red line must be touching level 80 and this green line must be touching level 80 and above. Okay, so let me just quickly do the illustration here. So you go on object, you put the arrows up, then you look at this level and you do the same on objects up. This one, you do this the same. Okay, so as you can see what was going on at this stage. At this stage, guys, the indicator window, the red line, was on the maximum, but the RSI was not on the maximum. It was not yet on the maximum, as you can see. So for this signal, this green line was not yet giving us the information that you need to sell. Okay, but I take this trade. Why? Because I saw that it was I had another analysis that I made that the market is going to what? Is going to fall down. Is going to fall down. So let's take let's give it a back test and see. So here is the point. I was making video for someone else. Here the RSI window 1 was on 80. The RSI window 2 was again above 80. And if you can put your vertical line just like that and you cut on the gray one, you see, look at this one, you see you entered somewhere here. You see, this is what I'm talking about. So there are some times that this green line will not be in the 80 zone, but the red line is on the 80 zone. I urge you to wait for the green line to first touch the 80 or cross above 8, then you take your sell. Even if the red one is not yet on the 80 zone and the green line is already on the 80 zone, you need to wait for the red line for you to take your sell. But before you take your sell, let's say all the strategies align, okay, they are all on the 80. You go on your chart, you just put yellow on the color like that. You come on the big time frame and you see why the signal was given. Okay, so when you see this, the reason why the signal was given, it will give you a perfect understanding that you are not going to jump into losses. You get what I'm saying? So if you put it right here, right, you see that the market was approaching this this resistance right here. This resistance right here. That's why it gave you the signal. So you must not just enter blindly in this trading, guys. You must not enter blindly in trading. You must have the perfect understanding of what's going on, of what's transpiring, then you enter your sale. You get what I'm saying? So this is it for Crash 300, guys. This is it for Crash 300. On Crash 300, you use RSI, the relative strength index, without any moving average. You use it. That is the main signal we need. Okay, the period must be 10 on Crash 300. All right, so let's go to other pair and see. So now we are changing the pair. You're going to Boom 1000. On Boom 1000, it was having some perfect signals, some perfect entries. As you can see, I already did the illustration of the video. I'm just gonna do again on this video. So this is the video that I want to post on the YouTube right now. So you're watching it on YouTube. So this is the situation, guys. The green line, let me just quickly remove this level 30. I just want to deal with two levels so that you both know where I am right now. So you see the first line here, it touches the line. The red one is again under what? Under 20. Then your chart is right here. The reason why I painted this one is because I want you to confirm with the higher time frame. You see, on the higher time frame, this is the signal. But before the signal went into profit, what would you do? You would just come back, right, and see where you are, all right? And see where you are. You see, it was on this support. That's why the signal came, all right? That's why the signal came. So, guys, I want you to take note of this. To take note of this, all right? This is how you can maximize winning in this market. Whenever you see the green line and the red line both on the maximum, all right, on Boom, we see them below 20, both of them. You need to quickly go to the main chart, mark the area, go to higher time frame, see where the signal is being given. If there is any resistance, and if you see that level is a trend line, any resistance, guys, you need to take your buy, you need to take your buy, you need to take your sell instantly. You need to make money with this strategy, okay? You need to make money with this strategy. So let's go to, so on Boom 1000, I'm just gonna give you something nice, all right? Let's go here. So on Boom 1000, don't use period 10. Do this. Use period 15. Boom 1000, Crash 500, and Boom 500. Use period 15 on your RSI. The green RSI, use period 15 on Boom 1000, Boom 500, and Crash 500. Okay, let's click on done. So here we are now. You see, we just filtered some of the signal here. You see. Now it is just being there on this 20 level, on this 10 level, and here you are given this signal. All right, this is what you must use. So if you want to back test this strategy, let's see where market changes the direction. You see, on this one, we are here. The first signal. Let's do this. Let's quickly do this. All right. Let's quickly do this. I just want you to have enough understanding about this, okay? Do not just use this strategy because it is paying, but use this strategy strategically because you might end up in losses, all right? So, as you can see, we have this first arm here that touches here, right? And here you go this one that touches here. Instantly, if you line this one, all right, you see that you're in profit. Okay? If you can go back to this one as well, you're in profit, all right? You see what I'm talking about? So every time you see the red line crossing below 20, the green line crossing below 20, just know that the signal is ready for you. What do you need to do next? What you need to do next is something simple. You need to go on the main chart. Let me just paint the area as well. Okay, guys, let's just paint this area, make it a little big. Go to M5. When you go to M5, we are looking for that area. See, look where the market was. Look where the market was. Market was retesting. Market was retesting this support. Look at this one. Market was retesting this support. When this, as soon as it reaches this support, look what happened. Market shoot up just like that. You know what I'm saying? So what I can say is most of the times this signal will give you, or this line will align only when there is a potential reverse of the market, or where there's a high support, high resistance. Okay, so this is it for boom 1000. I told you boom 1000 is same as boom 500. All right, I already did this illustration, guys, so I'm just gonna make it quick. So like what I said, right, it is a period 15, right? So look at this one. This one is crossing below here, and look at this one. This one is crossing below here, and look at the main chart. Look at the main chart. Look at the main chart. You see where my arrow is pointing right now? Let's go to M5. You go to M5, you see that it was a trend line formation. This is a pattern. Something was going on. Market wanted to shoot up. All right, market wanted to shoot up. If you just do this, you see, like market was creating this channel, as you can see, right? This is a pattern, and after that, it's a continuation pattern. After it did that, it hit the support, then it shoots up. All right, it shoots up. So the question is, why didn't the signal come when the market, you see, every time market reaches the lower trend line, it shoots up. It shoots up. You see, it shoots up. This is the thing that I'm talking about, guys. You see, it shoots up. So every time, guys, I want to repeat again, every time the red and the green line, you see them on level 20 and level 10, on level 90, on level 80. You take your sell after you just went to the chart and you confirm where the market is. All right, don't go in blindly. We don't trade blindly, guys. You don't trade blindly, guys. We don't trade blindly. Okay, you need proper information about what's going on. All right, so if you go to boom, we already that crash what you call it, this is crash 500. On crash 500, this is the same thing, guys. All right, look at my vertical line. You see that? You just align like that. You see that is a good money. Okay, that is a good money. Let's go again back there. Let's back test it. We back test it. Let's back test it together, guys. You see, you come here, you put on here. You see, this was a good money. So this is the situation I want you to understand. Don't feel like you're being left out. Don't get frustrated. All right, so this green line, it's clear to us that it is the first to reach the 80 zone, while this one was still good. Remember, this is period 1. Period 1 does not reach level 80 or level 20 so fast. It takes its time. It is the slowest between the two. So this one will reach and will keep on moving above level 80 and level 90, but as long this one is not yet, they do not take any trade. Be safe, keep safe. Once you see the red line going in above 8, you take your sell and you wait. When you take your sell and wait, just know that any moment you are going to be in profit. You get what I'm saying? You're going to be in profit. So I want to repeat this because I want to finish the video. Crash 300, boom 1000, boom 500. Use RSI period 15 on the green window. On RSI with the moving average, you can use whatever you want in this. All right, it doesn't matter because I'm not using the RSI line. This is the RSI line, but on the move, let me go back. You see, the indicator window 1, guys, it is an RSI. But when you come to style, RSI style, it is white. You put the color of your break of background, okay, because we don't want to use that line. We don't care about it, you know what I'm saying? So you just put period to 200, and all we need is the levels. Okay, the levels. Why do we need the levels? Because we want to insert the what? We want to insert the moving average, which is moving average 1. Okay, the period is 1. Okay, so on the second window, you put indicator window 2, which is the relative strength index again, but this one you put period to 15 on boom 1000, boom 500, and crash 500. But on crash 300, you put period 10. You get what I'm saying? When you want to analyze on crash 300, you just quickly come here and put level 10. Then you do this. Then you go to your crash 300 and see where the pay is and see what's going on, right? After that, when you want to go to boom 500, boom 1000, and crash 500, you just come here and put the 5 and click on done. That's you good, all right? So I think I need to take some profits, guys. What do you think? If I take some profits, I wait for this trade again. Was this the money that I just deposited? I'll just take my profits at the moment, guys. Let me close there. So I take my profits. My balance is increased now. Wait for another trade. So I'm using this indicator to trade, guys. As you can see my account. So you need to do the same as well, but you need perfect entries, guys. Boom one on boom 300 is better if you use this level 10. You can use level 10 on boom 300 as well. On boom 300 as well. Right, guys, before we go any further and before I conclude the video, this strategy, if boom is going on uptrend, use this strategy. If crash is going on downtrend, use this strategy. Do not use it consistently when crash is buying or when boom is selling, guys. All right, we don't need to go against the market. We don't want to suffer so many losses, okay? And whenever you see like you get your enough profit, get the hell out of the market, okay? Market is all about up and down. It retraces every time. So closing good profit, take your money, all right? So the next video I'm going to post, I want to change this strategy, guys. I want to change this strategy. I want to make it a PC vision so that people with laptops, computers can use it only by seeing an arrow, and then they will take a sell or a buy. So we are going to simplify it that way so that you don't need to measure the line. Everything will be done automatically, guys. So stay tuned for the next video. For the part 3 of this strategy, guys, we need to make profitable strategies. So another thing, guys, you need to join all my Telegram channels, my WhatsApp groups. But in my WhatsApp groups and Telegram channel, I'm no longer posting signals consistently. Why? Because I want to post the strategy to make you an independent trader. You get what I'm saying? So if you want more profitable strategies, if you want the indicators, if you want to know how you can create your own indicators, just subscribe